How to update Discord on PC and Mac. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Discord application first. Also be noted that this process is same for your Mac as well as your Windows. Now if you think Discord needs updation or if it says Discord is available for updates, close your Discord app and restart your Discord again. As you do so, this will automatically check for any updates that are available and auto-update itself. You don't need to type in anything or do anything in order to update your Discord application. It is a self-updating software, so all you have to do is quit Discord and open it again, and it will auto-update itself. That is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.